Definitely recommend eye protection for this job. I've had some crap kick up into my eyes already. Should have been wearing the glasses, but I didn't have them here at my parents' house. So anyway, we're down to the lower one. We're gonna come down to this lower bolt right here. You can probably see it. It's right here. There is the bolt head. We're gonna use the same method before. We're gonna go ahead and put the wrench in there, apply the cheater, and do a little tapping on there so you don't overexert yourself and throw out your back. I'll keep the camera live on this one. Okay, so there's that angle right there. That's not, it's gonna be good to get a good angle where you can get your cheater in there, the cheater bar. And that's not the best angle. Let's go this way. There we go. It's kind of where we want it. It's kind of the sweet spot. Here we go, get the bar in there. Oh, see, not enough room. So I'm gonna have to come up a little bit. I have to compromise. Come up here, tap it in. Watch this brake line again. You don't want to mess that up. Give it a little wedge, a little shove, like that. Give it a little shove. Okay? That probably loosened it up enough where you can come back down here and come at the lower angle with your cheater bar. We're gonna try from down here. Okay, here we go. Make sure the Allen wrench is in there, otherwise you're gonna have bloody knuckles. There we go. Bust it up. There we go. All right. We'll come back to that, but once I busted that, it's gonna be pretty much smooth sailing from here. That one took a little extra muscle. So I'm back in here with my Allen wrench, and we're just about to the point where this is ready to get loose again, to come off by hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a few turns on this until I can get it hand loose, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I'm back here again, and right now it's loose. I can get it out by fingers. It's kind of loose right now. Now it gets to that point again. It does this last time on the top. It gets loose to the point where you keep going and it stops. It's like it gets stuck. So get your Allen wrench again. Do a couple more turns on it. I know you can't see this, but it's just me turning an Allen wrench. It's not really difficult to use the imagination on what's happening here. Better bet a GoPro. GoPro, if you want to sponsor this, I'd be happy to get a free product. All right. So, still working on it. Just a few more spots so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Just getting the Allen wrench in. Let me get my camera down and just working to twist this out, make sure it's out enough. See, it's by hand, it's not going anywhere. It's kind of tight. You just pull that out right there. See, just pull it out. Got it, right there. All right, if you're in Arizona like I am, you're gonna sweat doing this, so no shame in that. All right, now we get the bottom one out. We're gonna go ahead and take out this top one here. And from that one, I had to use a screwdriver. I'm gonna pop it out. I'm not gonna show you what that looks like because I want to use two hands and be careful. Well, you really have to just kind of maneuver this guy right here, caliper. I'm gonna go ahead and take two hands and just kind of pry it loose, you know? Just trust me on this one. I'm not gonna show you the full visual of it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pry it loose, maybe bang it loose a little bit lightly right here. See that right there? Coming right here. Got it a little bit loose by hammer. You saw me kind of messing around with it. This thing is loose right now. You take your hand out, and there's my dog. Hey, Max. I recommend a good companion while you're doing this. Anyway, I'm gonna just wiggle this thing loose. It's wanting to come off.